All right, so my name's Brent Hall. I've been with boot camp for 2 months straight now, and I've gotten quite a bit out of it. I've lost 10 pounds over the 2 months, so that's a good thing. But besides just the physical changes, I've also increased my mental well-being, so not as negative and a lot more positivity going on. So my spirits are better. I haven't missed work in a while now, so that's a good thing. So I feel like I need to continue on this journey, and another 3 months would really help out with that. So vote for me.
So what I've gotten out of Tall Trainer for the 2 months that I've been here is learning about my nutrition, trying to track my foods, weighing so that I know the proper amount that I should be eating. And the workouts are amazing. I never have worked out in a facility like this before, and it's been fantastic. And the people are wonderful, and the smiling faces that you walk into are amazing. A year ago, I lost my husband, and I basically lost myself. And I really feel like in this last 2 months, it's been a challenge, but I'm beginning to find myself again and like create that Erin that has been lost for so long. And it's really been a miracle. And I've lost weight, and I'm healthy, and my kids are healthier, and it's been a fantastic experience. And I would love to do 3 months more.
For Erin.
Yeah.
My benefits these past 2 months have been amazing. I am stronger, I think, than I ever was. I have more energy. I'm eating better. I found muscle that I never thought I had. I've stuck with it, even while camping and having family over and everything. Just still kept on a schedule for weighing my food and watching what we eat. And I think it's benefited the whole family, I hope. Maybe not the kids so much, but the whole family. I don't know, I feel great. I feel like I've just started the journey, and it's made such a difference that I just want to continue with it and see where it brings me as I get closer to 50. I'm almost there, but I don't feel like it, and I feel great. I thank you for giving me this opportunity. It was amazing, and I'm hoping it'll be amazing for 3 more months.
Vote Heather!
Vote Heather!
The past 2 months have meant so very much to me. I needed to get moving and eating healthfully. So many encouraged me on my struggle to be fat-free. There are many benefits to Tall Trainer. I'd like to continue with my fitness journey here to find the person I imagine I can be. I've built some confidence and rid myself of fear. There are many benefits to Tall Trainer. There are many benefits to Tall Trainer. You're gonna burn some fat, Matt. Sleep a little better, Heather. Build some muscle, Russell. Strong body, strong mind. Feel a little bit cheery, Jerry. Lose a little weight, Blake. Increased energy, Beverly. Strong body, strong mind. Strong body, strong mind. That's it.
Vote
for me.